I know it's a shocking statement in this country, but I don't support Tim Hortons. Instead, I'd rather support a locally run and managed company like this. Now, here's the thing, is that I haven't forgotten what started 2.5 years ago. I don't know why these forms of action are so easily forgotten by the masses. For a company like Tim Hortons to be the leader in segregation, to be the first company to say what you can and can't do, regardless of your choices, is wrong, without question. And there's not even any apologies run across the board. It was like it's never happened. Tim Hortons is not even a Canadian company, even though they used to market towards Canadians. They put their maple leaf on the cup. They put Wayne Gretzky commercials on TV, and they sell out to a Brazilian company. On top of that, their coffee isn't that good. It's probably not ethically sourced, and the ingredients are probably something we should stay away from.